Pay close attention and listen to what mazi nnamdi said here. Now the same thing with the talk. I kwasika kpota ikebu. Igafu a typical black man am a program cop that one is an asine way na Nigeria. Because not knowing that your government will not cheer.
You believe in superstition. When a vulture flies across, you say, hey, my neighbor is against me. Your neighbor is against you when the vulture flies across you in Africa. But as soon as you get to Europe, you can see as many vultures as you like and nothing will happen to you. Because your mind is lazy. Your mind is very lazy. You want a very easy explanation for everything. You don't have time to interrogate. Let me tell you where the reasoning of black people, or should I say misreasoning, or should I say the unreasonableness of black people. I anchor it all the time. It is their inconsistency. We are a very, very inconsistent race. We don't believe in something